So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So today I'm just spraying my setting spray on my face and also setting my face with some of my rose water. I do that to keep my face hydrated, and then I put my setting powder to do my brows. And this is now my new primer. This is the Color Mine lotion. I love this because it keeps my makeup on. It sets my makeup perfect. So this is now my new primer. And I guarantee you, if you try my step, your makeup is gonna last very long. So I use rose water, setting spray first, rose water, and then my Color Mine, and my makeup glides on beautifully. So now I'm just blending this in, and I'm gonna go into this cheap palette. I don't remember where I got it from. I think I got it as a gift. And I'm gonna just use the brown in it. I do not have any good palette as yet at hand, so I'm just using what I have, and I'm just blending everything in seamlessly and perfect. Yep. I am not good at brows, so if anybody asks about the brows, I'm not gonna give you guys a tutorial. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. So I'm just doing my eyeshadow now. I'm gonna add some of the shimmers, and as you guys know, this palette is not pigmented, and the shimmers you have to pack it on for it to look kind of how. So yeah, that's me just basically packing on everything. And this is my signature go-to look. I always use a brown eyeshadow, and then I use the gold in my tear dark. It's like everyday makeup, and it's also like a glamorous makeup, so you could use this for anything. And I love to do this because it's very simple and quick. It's like 3 steps and you're done. And this is my eyeliner. I love this. Don't mind my finger got cut. The eyeliner, I love eyeliner because I like the way how it makes my face look after finishing doing my makeup. I look like a whole, I look like Nicki Minaj after finish doing yeah, I look like Nicki when I just do my wings, and nobody clock me on this. It is a fact, okay? So yeah, and this is my favorite wing liner. I'm just letting it dry a little bit, and you see I did my little cat eye. These mink lashes, I love them too, but I did not put them on. I put on a whole different one, as you can see in this, because I was not feeling the cattish look. And now I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, and I'm gonna show you guys the shade. It's in 450. In case you guys wanna know, you're the same shade and you wanna know what color to buy. A lot of people I know say they don't like the undertone of Fenty, but Fenty foundation is perfect for me. It's full coverage, number one. It's the shade is perfect for me. I do not have any problems with red undertone, because to me, my skin color is very gray, and when I use this, it makes me like give me life. This is the concealer in the shade 430. I use like 2 shades lighter for my under eye. I'm thinking about going back for the 420, because when I want a real dramatic look, I might have to go back for that. Yeah, and once I dip one time, I do not add no more of the concealer on the brush. I just dip once and I put it on, because I don't like a lot of the concealer. If you notice, under my under eye, I do not add the concealer directly to my my tear dark. I blend it up to avoid creasing, and you know, so that everything would go smooth. You just get your damp beauty blender or whatever brush you're using, and you just pat in like little dots and blend it upwards. That way your concealer would not crease, and your under eye would not look too cakey and baggy and too much. So that's how I do it, and it works for me. So maybe if you try this step, it might work for you also. Yeah, so I'm just blending everything in, and you see how it blends smoothly, and I do not have any problem with Fenty. I love Fenty. I will show you guys a million times. This is my darker foundation. Setting. No, this is my concealer. My darker concealer. I'm just using this across my nose area as I didn't want too much of a harsh contour, so I use the shade 450 in concealer to just give it a little bit of red in the areas that I'm gonna contour, you know. And this is my method. You do not have to do this part. You could just erase this part. I just want to do it to be a little bit extra because, you know, I'm extra myself. Yes, I'm just blending everything in. And if you notice, I use one sponge for everything. Yeah. Now I'm going in with my Sasha contour, and as you can see, you got a brush at the end, and you have the contour. It's a bit too dark for me, but I work with it. I had it when I was a bit more dark. I think my color is changing now as the winter, so it's a bit dark for me, but I kind of, you know, I made it work. I love it still. So this is one of the this is one of the product from Shein that I really genuinely love. Other than the eyeshadow palette. This contour is amazing. It does not separate. It goes on smooth. And if you notice, I'm blending upwards, so I'm blending so everything, the concealer and your contour areas would merge, so you get this smooth effect. Yeah, so I'm going in with my setting powder from Fenty also, and I got the shade Honey. I love Honey so much. I had the cocoa first, and I repeat that in my first. I said that in my last video, but I'm repeating it over and over because me like for talk plenty. And if you notice, I'm not adding powder underneath of my tear duct area and underneath of my eye. I'm just letting whatever powder that is left on the sponge to set that area to avoid crease. I tell you guys to try this. Just try this method and you would see. Yeah, and you see how everything is going on beautiful, and I just love it, except for the fact that I just powdered my lip and I had to wipe it off. And this is my way of highlighting. If you have a different way, you could keep it, but this way works for me perfectly fine. It gives my face a nice refined shape. And yeah, that's about it. And now this is the setting. No, this is my press powder. I was a setting powder for everything. This is my press powder. I got it in the 430 also. And so I got I got it in a shade lighter than my foundation, because I just like, after doing everything, I just want this one subtle look, so the under eye and everything would just be smooth. So I use a press powder that is a bit lighter than the foundation. And yeah, you see how everything is going on beautifully. It looks so good. Oh my god. It's coming in. And what I want you guys to also see is, this is my face without any setting spray. What I noticed, when you put on your setting spray, it's very important to have a setting spray, right? I use this word 3 times in a straight because I just want to emphasize on the setting spray. Use setting spray in order for your face to look smooth and your makeup last longer. Make sure you prime and use your setting spray at the end to avoid the powdery look. If you want to look nice and at least smooth and a little bit glossy but not sweaty, and you want to look matte all in one, you just want to look like a supermodel like the models you see on TV, use your setting spray after you do all this process, because it would be a waste of time. Okay? It would be a waste of time. You see your correct color, you see the correct blending, everything you will see after you set. So please use it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I didn't leave my purple behind. I had on my purple turtleneck, and I just wanted to show off. And I'm going in with this blush palette. I do not know where I get this from. I think I got this as a gift. Whenever you see me use this kind of cheap palette, is when I get them as a gift. It's not like I'm ungrateful, but I'm ungrateful. But I'm not ungrateful. I think I'm ungrateful, yeah. But I'm blending in everything here, and now I'm adding my blush. Blush is very important in my process, and I think you need a purple blush and an orange or a red, a very dark red. as a dark skin person. Yes, I look like a clown right now, but you're gonna see how everything glides on, and that's my purple blush. Just take time, kill hands. You're gonna find it good. Just watch and see. Watch, yeah? Watch. And yes, me know me look like RuPaul from Drag Race right now, like a whole drag queen. But everything I will glide on, I'm gonna look like a supermodel soon. And this is my Juvia's Place highlighter. It is my favorite of all time. It's in the shade Nubia, and if you have not have this, you need to go and get it. Yes, you see how my nose shiny. Me look like Rudolph, the red nose reindeer, had a little shiny nose. And if you never see him, you could never say hello. I say Sango, Kelsu. Kel me correct. Kelsu. So I'm adding all my highlighter on my cheeks, and as you guys can see, everything is gliding on so beautifully. I look so pretty. Yeah, makeup makes me so happy, you know. And yes, this is another cheap palette, and I'm going under my under eye with this to give my eyes some definition, and just add some purple, because I was gonna just up in a purple anyway, so I just wanted a bit of purple under my under eye to just, you know, pop the look a little bit. And you see the difference? Yeah. This lipstick I am putting on here currently. You guys would learn about this lipstick very soon, not now. Anyway, this is my go-to lipstick when I don't wanna when I add too much, you know, my makeup is a lot and I just want something to make it even more, because I like dramatic looks. So I add this lipstick, or I add the other dark purple lipstick to it. And yeah, so that's just me putting on my lipstick. And yeah, I don't do much, I don't outline, I just add the lipstick. Now is the part for the setting spray, and I want you guys to see what I was trying to tell you when I tell you the setting spray add definition and life to your makeup, and it makes your makeup finish. Do not leave without your setting spray. Anyone could walk. Any setting spray could work. You see? You're seeing the difference already. You're seeing the difference already. You're seeing, I was looking, you could see the powder in the areas that I was highlighting a lot, and now you're not really seeing it. You see? Everything just glides on smooth and blend together after you add your setting spray. So thank you guys for all the support and all the love that I've been getting so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and I'm gonna add some pictures for you guys to see. Yeah, and this was my cute sweater, and thank you guys for everything. Bye again.